Hi Bookies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique, and in today's video I'm going to be restarting my Amazon wig finds. So all of these wigs I'll be reviewing in this series has been bought with my own hard-earned coin, hunty. So this wig is Merhara. It's from Merhara Amazon, and it's a 13 by 4 26-inch ash blonde body wig. So if you want to see how I installed this wig, keep on watching. Hey Bookies, my Amazon wig find series is back, and y'all already know I'm excited to show y'all this one. Now listen, for whatever reason, some folks out there still don't believe that I actually buy these wigs with my own coins, but let me tell you something, I do. Every single time. I'm not being sent 50 wigs a week, okay? I just genuinely love trying out Amazon wigs and putting the girls on. So enough of that. Let's talk about her. This wig right here. She's the 13 by 4 26-inch ash blonde body wave unit from Merhara Hair, and she's linked in my Amazon storefront per usual, and baby, she's giving. Let's start with the specs. This is a 13 by 4 transparent lace front wig with 180% density, so you're getting that extra volume without it being too heavy. The ash blonde color, baby! So soft, so icy, and honestly gives you that effortless bombshell vibe. Now, I was a little nervous at first when I saw the color straight out of the pack. Ash blondes can sometimes go real gray or real brassy depending on the lighting or your skin tone. And I didn't want to look too washed out or like a little, casket ready. But baby, she ate. So I put it on. I was like, hold up. Is that Pamela Anderson? Is that Dolly Parton? Am I the drama? Absolutely. Because this hair started serving big, sexy glam immediately. Now, for my girls who love a good full look, I say that 180% density of this wig is perfect for this style. It gave me all the volume I needed without weighing down the curls, because sometimes too much density can make the hair stiff or make styling harder, but this one flowed really nicely. So if you want to recreate that big bombshell look for the summer, this is that girl. She gives beach Barbie, poolside glam, rooftop brunch, and who is she energy? Perfect for hot girl season, because baby, we are outside all summer 2025, okay? Now let's talk about the install. I didn't use any glue for this look, just a little bit of my Kiss Bond lace spray and some melt action, and boom, it was given scalp. And now, full transparency, the lace is a little on the thicker side and the hairline came a bit dense, so I definitely had to go in and pluck more than I normally would. So if you're new to wigs, just take your time or work in sections, because a dense hairline can really throw off the whole vibe. But trust and believe, you can work through it. Now let's get into a couple of the cons. I already mentioned that the lace is thicker, which, ooh, child, is not my favorite. So if you're not used to working with thicker lace, it does take a bit more effort to blend. And the hairline also needed work, so be ready to do some plucking and tensing. Because normally with HD lace, I would use my Ruby Kisses level 15, but since the lace was on the thicker side, I mixed my level 15 with the level 16, and I was able to melt it more seamlessly, if that makes sense. I also decided to go ahead and cut some long layers throughout the wig to really give it that flipped, bouncy Pamela Anderson style. You know the look, the sexy, tussled 90 curls, full of body, a little messy, a little glam, but so iconic. So that's what I was going for. Is super soft, and even with all the styling I did, there was minimal shedding and no tangling out the gate. But obviously with longer wigs you'll get some tangling eventually, especially in the nape area, but it's one that didn't mat up or get crazy. And let me tell you, the curls held up way better than I expected. I curled her first with my flat iron and used a light hold spray. And even after brushing it out, flipping around, finger combing it, the curls stayed. They actually held up for days. I was impressed because a lot of lower cost wigs will drop the curls within the next hour. So this one really surprised me. So with that being said, once you put that effort in, woo, baby, she will deliver. And I also wouldn't call this a wear and go wig, but she's not super high maintenance either. Just make sure you prep the lace, add some layers if you want that volume, and use a wide barrel curling iron or flat iron to get that big body wave after each wear. Or you can use flexi rods or like the little heatless foam curler things that are like popular on TikTok now. Overall, I'm giving this wig an 8 out of 10. She's not perfect, but she's definitely a moment. Don't get me wrong. She's soft, she holds a curl, and she delivers big, sexy energy without a crazy price tag. So if you've been thinking about stepping outside of your comfort zone and going blonde, especially for the summer, okay, this is a safe pick. Just make sure you customize her to fit your face and your energy. And don't forget, this wig is linked to my Amazon storefront and also in the description box below, so you can grab her directly. And last but not least, let me know in the comments if you've tried this one or if you're feeling the Pamela, Dolly, blonde, baddie vibes too. And if there's another wig you want me to try, drop the name or the link and I got y'all. Because I'm always trying to find out stuff to help the girls out. If the girls are scared to spend their coins, just send it over here and I'll spend my coin for you. Because baby, if you don't try, you will never know. Okay? So alright bookies, thank you for watching another Amazon wig find. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye! And this is the final look, bookies. It came out super cute, better than I expected. And it's holding a curl amazingly because I have brushed his hair several times since I finished installing it. And it's like, they're sitting like this is tea. So if you want this wig, it can be found in my Amazon storefront. You can also scan the QR code or the screen to access my storefront. So be sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment and let me know what you think. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!